Hello mga boss, this is Boss Rod and I just wanted to share with you guys ano ba yung sekreto ko para maging successful in life and also in IT industry. So the first one, you need to set goals. You need to know ano ba yung gusto nyo. You need to know what do you want, no? The second one is plan and strategies. You need to set plan or strategies paano nyo i-execute yung goal nyo na yun. Okay? So, third one is very obvious. Kailangan yung i-execute yung mga plano and strategies nyo. Marami nagpa-fail dito kasi sa una pa lang, pagka nag-fail sila, is mag-give up na sila. Pero ako iba. So, once na mag-fail ako doon, I'm learning from failing. No? Once na mag-fail ako doon, itatry ko lang especially kung gustong-gusto ko yung goal na yun, itatry ko hanggang sa maging successful ako. And then after that, always, after that, you need to enhance or level up, no? So in this case, no, in your first implementation, in your first execution, always marami yung room for improvement. So you need to enhance, you need to learn from it, and you need to level up kung ano yung knowledge nyo or yung current knowledge nyo. And then last but not the least is repetition. So you need to repeat yung apat na step na to. So you need to set goal again, plan or strategies, execution, and then enhance or level up. So yan yung lagi kong ginagawa sa buhay and also sa IT industry. And good luck sa journey mo, boss.